Spring has officially arrived, and with warmer weather months ahead, it's time to start planning that cleaning and getting the winter grime both inside and outside of your garden. So here with some timely tips are our favorite contractor and co-host of the hit show Catch a Contractor. We've got Skip Bedell. Welcome, Skip. How you doing?
Yeah. Hey, Malcolm, how we doing today? Happy spring, man.
Yes, happy spring. So, Skip, where should we get started when thinking about spring cleaning?
Well, spring cleaning season has officially started, so let's get it done, and let's get it done quickly and effectively. There's no better tools out there than the Rubbermaid commercial line of cleaning products like this wave break mop bucket that has a foot drain. You never have to pick up the bucket and hurt your back, touch the dirty water. It's on wheels. This is a great way to get the job done. Even this fiberglass handled job site push broom, sweeping up the driveway, the patio, the garage, lightweight but super durable. And I love these microfiber towels. So these are the job site microfiber towels. Basically, these will let you do everything from dusting, even to heavy-duty cleaning, oil, grease stains on your car, you name it. Wipe them up with these microfiber towels. But the best part, Malcolm, throw them in the washing machine. You can reuse them hundreds of times over and over again. So I love these things. After you get everything all nice and clean and shiny, you want to keep it that way. So this is my new favorite product. I love this stuff. I've used it on everything. This is the Infinity Shield. This is a sealer. Think of it as like a protective barrier. When you spray this on anything from outside your house, like for instance, this one has a hose, you spray your roof, your siding, your driveway, patio, even your furniture. It's safe for everything because it's water-based and biodegradable, non-toxic. But the idea is that once you get it clean, you keep it clean. It prevents anything from growing back on that surface, whether it's mold or mildew or dust, rust. This will keep it clean for a long time. You can use it inside the house or outside. Infinity is just amazing technology, what they're doing with this product. And after we get all that cleaning done, let's get outside, man. Are you ready? Are you ready for the outdoors?
Oh,
like to
yeah.
mow the lawn and get all that stuff going, Malcolm?
Oh,
ready
yes.
for it?
You believe it.
Yeah, you gotta get the lawnmower going, man. Listen, if you're gonna do outdoor lawn mowing and all that, you're gonna want to get yourself some Ego. So Ego is a #1 rated battery operated. That's right, battery operated. 56-volt battery runs all of their outdoor power equipment, like the lawnmower, their string trimmer. Check this out. This thing's amazing. We all know string trimmers. They're great. The weed whacker cleans up the whole yard, but they're tough to load the string into the head, wind it up, right? Watch this. This is a power winder, winds it up for you automatically. Ego has got the technology, the best on the market. Even the new Nexus power station gives you portable power anywhere you need it. All battery operated. No more gas fumes, no more gas engines. After you get that done in the yard work, you want to get in the garden. And let me tell you something, Malcolm, nobody does gardening better than Fiskars. These are the best garden tools on the market, hands down. You know why? They have a gear system in here. Watch this. See that gear turning? The Power Gear 2 technology means the gear does all the work, not your hands. So watch this. I'm going to show you how the gear on these hand shears operate. You see how the gear's turning? Look how easy it is for me to trim off this branch with very little use. It's the gear. It's all in the gear. It's not the strength of my hand. Their tools make the job of garden shearing and pruning better than any other garden tool out there. And with a titanium surface, it means they're rust resistant. So if you're going to get out in the garden, you're going to want to get yourself some Fiskars for sure.
Skip, you are the man. I'm getting excited about getting in the garden. I like that. All right, so guys, for more information, visit skipbedell.com.